The structural damage on the hood is significant.
And the battery pack shows signs of deep discharge.
We'll need a full environmental scan before extraction.
Rust penetration goes deep. Agreed. Log it for the material analysis phase. Check the corrosion on the rocker panel here. Significant decay. Make sure that's documented for the team.
Scanning the rocker panel now. Significant corrosion detected. The battery module shows 0 voltage. Structural integrity around the A-pillar is compromised.
The main display is completely shattered. We'll need a full replacement. And the biohazard risk back here is significant.
Okay, slowly lowering the front mounts now.
Clear on this side.
Watch the cable harness on the left.
Hood gap is reading 2 millimeters on the left.
Okay, applying micro adjustment now. Check symmetry at the rear.
Rear quarters are perfectly symmetrical.